I apologize for not speaking. It's just I was on a phone call. Hmm. So we're just trying to find out. And this car got hit by lightning and no longer has grounds. So we're trying to locate that bad trace, but I don't seem to find it. So we're going to basically backtrace, locate the pin that has no ground, and then just trace it and see where's the open bridge. If I'm not mistaken, it's pin 67 on this ECU. I will double check and see. Let me see, this is a zero. We want to check anything that's a zero ohm resistor, like this one right here. Yeah, that's good. But I'm not finding anything on this side. I think I already went over the whole board on this side. I feel like it's an open trace somewhere. Somewhere there's an open trace. And I don't see a ground plane, which is weird. Normally they have a ground plane. Oh, what's this over here? What's this? What's this? Normally they have a ground plane, but why is it this? Is this already probed? This was me that probed already. But this doesn't trigger any grounds. There's no grounds. There needs to be a ground plane. That's for sure a ground plane. Let me see. Let's find out. 63. Okay. So six. Thank you for calling Repair Labs. This is Anthony. How may I help you? Hi. We do board repair, ECUs, mostly any type of electronic repairs. Yes. What are you looking for? Okay. Okay. So wait, okay. So which console is it that is not working on what? On the TV, you said? On one of your TVs? All right. All right. Got you. Got you. Eh, all right. Got you. And where are you located? And where's that at? Oh, in St. Pete. Yeah, I'm sorry. We're in Orlando. Yeah, we're in Orlando. I was gonna see if you were not too far from me, so I could just go when I had a chance and get that hooked up for you. But yeah, I'm in Orlando right now. Um, um, let me if you give me like maybe let me see what time is it? It's 9:49. If you can give me till noon, let me see what I do. I do need to go to that side of town. I just don't know if it's gonna be today. That's the only thing. Yeah. 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 Oh, $100. I could do that. I can get that set up for you for 100. Yeah. That's my minimum repair rate. So yeah, yeah, basically. Yeah. Got you. Um, yes. Yeah. So yeah, so Yeah, I completely understand, and yeah, I would too. So just give me till noon. Yeah. So just give me till noon to see if I'm gonna be headed that way today. And if I am, then I'll go ahead and let you know. Oh, yeah, yeah. I go to the beach. Yeah, I go to the beach there. That's why I'm telling you. If I decide to go to the beach today, I'll stop by your area and let you know. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Mike, man. All right, Mike. All right, sounds good. I'll get back to you. Oh, it automatically saves the ticket and all that. It's fine. Yeah, sounds good. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best. I will let. Yeah, got you. Yeah, got you. Got you. So it must be a setting or something that needs to be looked at to get that resolved. Yeah, yeah, got you. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll get back to you on that. You're welcome, mate. I'm not finding it, so let me pull up the right here. Where is it? Where is my pin now? Mirror. Kia Soul. No. Oh no, that was after. Right here. Sensor ground. Okay. So sensor ground. The factory main are pin 1BR. 1BR. So literally pin number one. Okay, so let's take pin number one right here. And let's see if it has. Yeah, okay. So this pin number one has ground. Okay, we know that. Okay, so let's do this because I also want to get this ECU to read, and I haven't been able to read it, but I'm not sure if it's because there's a missing ground somewhere or what. So one is ground. Got that. Let me just double check and make sure. Yes. All right. Let me also check to the ground plane. Where is it? Right here. No, so it doesn't go to the ground plane. I feel like there's a bridge missing or something. We'll see if we can find it. But something's blown on here for sure. Something blue. Let me check the lid to see if there's any signs of burn marks. Oh, the lid is black on one side. No, I don't see any markings at all, which is super weird. Super weird. I'm just checking the board because I didn't open this one. This came open to me. They used quite some force there, but no, I don't see no damage, as I can tell. Oh, right here, but that's just a scratch. Is this blown trace? I know it has a blown trace somewhere, and we're gonna find it somehow. I'm not sure how, but we are. All right, so we got. I'm gonna just write where we do have the grounds. Let me, right here. Oh, we know pin one. Okay. And I wasn't told either which sensor is it that has no ground, but so we'll go ahead and check. And pins 115 and 116. 115 and 116 gotta have grounds too. So let's check those. 115 and 116. That's 63, 62, 106, 119, 115 right here. So we'll just go like this. Yeah, we have ground there too. Okay. So let's throw another one of these there. Alright. Everywhere we have ground, we're gonna try to mark it. 115 here. Okay. So 115, 116. 115. So 115 is, oh no, we did 115. It's 116. So the one right next to it. See? We're also good. Yeah, that's also ground. And we're basically going to attempt to apply power and see what happens. Maybe we should put this one here, this one here, there. All right. 115, 116, 109. Let me see. 115, 116, pins at 66. 66 and 67. Let me see something. No, but we gotta check the main ones first. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 67 is good. 67 is good. 67 is good. How about 66? 67 is good. 66 is also good. 66, 67, 78. And it sucks that you can't see my multimeter. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 66. Yeah, there's ground there. 81. Then backwards is 80, 79, 78. And I think we're going to 70. Okay, 78. This one. We have it there too. All right. 67. I don't understand. I see all the grounds. 67, 78, 82, and 83. Let's check 82 and 83. I'm just checking all of them. 81. 82, and we're going for where? I forgot what we were looking for. 82 and 83. Okay, so 82, we're good. 83, we're good. 120, 121. 120, let me see, let me do it in order. I don't think I did 109. Let's do 109, which is 105, 115, where's 109, 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay, that's high. 109 is high. 109 is high. 109 is 2.3. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, we have, oh no, that's the whole pin out. 109 is how many? 2.3. 2.3. I got a call. Thank you for calling Repair Labz. This is Anthony speaking. How may I help you? We're available for drop-offs from 9 to 9. Yeah. What time did you want to pass by? Got you. All right. No problem. Yeah. Just the console. Yeah. No, just the console. All right. Sounds good. What was your name again? Anthony. Oh, okay. Sounds good. All right. See you later today. Bye. You're welcome. Okay. We got a PS5 that's being dropped off. Give me a second. 109 is 2.3 voltage drop. Um, okay, so 109, and what was the other one? Nah, these gloves is annoying. I can't even scroll. Oh, I can scroll through the buttons. Let me see. I need to go more down. Okay. Where's okay? 109, 119. 109, and then 119 right here. So 119 0.552. All right. Okay. 82, 83, 119, 120, and 121. Okay. 120 is 552, and 121 is nothing. So is it that one? The one that has nothing? Oh. 120.5 voltage drop and 121 OL. Um, everything is bad or easy. Oh, 121 is battery voltage. 121 is battery voltage. Okay. Let's give it some juice. 120, 119, and 120. Okay. Okay, so forget about 121 and probably 122. Give me a second. 120 is power supply for ECM. Yeah, so 120 is power. How about 119? A phone call. Thank you for calling Repair Labs. This is Anthony. How may I help you? Yeah, the PS5 HDMI ports is one of our most common repairs. We do provide 60-day warranty. We clean out the console while working on it. The cost is $99, and we also stream your repair live, so you can watch me as I work on your console. The actual repair takes about an hour to 2 hours. Did you want same day service? Yeah, same day service is possible. There is an additional $50 fee. And what that fee does is that once you drop it off, basically it comes straight to the bench. Even if I'm working on something else that is not if it's not priority, basically your console comes right to the bench and it'll be ready like within about an hour. You could even wait for it in the area if you like, or if you want to come back. But yeah, that's what we can do if you won't need it right away. Yeah. Okay. All right. Sounds good. And did you have a time so I could schedule you in? Yeah, at 12:30. Sounds good. Yeah, I'll go ahead and get you set up. And let me get your name, please. Repeat that one more time. Okay, got you. All right. I'll go ahead and get a repair ticket started. I'll go ahead and send you a link. You'll be able to track your repair and everything like that through that ticket. And did you have any other questions for me today? You go you no, yeah, you can also pay through the link. We accept all types of payment. Once the repair is completed, you can go ahead and pay at that time. You're welcome. I'll go ahead and send that status tracking link over. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. Bye. So we have a same day service for 12:30. Um, Give me a second. I just gotta notate this down to make sure that we're booked. I'm just waiting for the ticket to come in. Usually takes a few seconds. Let me see. Let me refresh this page. There we go. Okay. The class summary still hasn't finished. Okay. Vegas. Yeah, let me just change this. We'll continue now. We might have to get some information for the ECU we're working on to figure out which ground for what sensor the customer is saying is missing. Because we checked all the sensors and we're getting the grounds. Let me see. Let me close this. I got a lot of crap open. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Okay. Is 66 and 67 have it? 60, yeah. All right. So let's go pin by pin. Hello. Hello, unknown Jesus. Hello, hello, hello. What is good? We're just looking here at the pinout and we're trying to figure out customer says that his sensors don't have ground, but 78. Let's check 78. I think we already did check 78. Make sure to join, subscribe, and like the channel so that you can find more videos like this. 78, 63, 64, 65, 66, 60. Oh, wow, that's a long way. Yeah, we checked 78. So it's 81, 80, 79, 78. Yeah, we have ground there. I'm trying. Oh, no. Oh, maybe if I put it like this, you can see it here. Oh, perfect. Or maybe we could even do this. Look, I'll do something. I'll do something. I'll add another capture. Watch this. Video capture as source, and it's gonna be. We're gonna add it as a new source, and it's not the HD camera. It's this one. Yeah, there. But we're gonna do something here. We're gonna put it like this. There. And I'll straighten it out so that it could be in better view. Let's see how, like this. Where did it go? Okay, I gotta go there. The glare is bad. And then we'll blow it up a little bit. There. So we'll put that right there. I apologize about the glare. Oh, right there. Okay. All right. So we're probably gonna go through them a few times. 67, 67. We check 67. So look, let's go over the list again. I'm gonna start at the top. I'm gonna start at the top of the list, and we're just gonna go down through every single ground. So 1BR, let's go. So 1BR is here. We can figure this out because we go here and we go to any of the caps. That's ground. Okay. So that's our good. We know for sure there's ground here. So anything that we touch that has ground needs to light up with this. So if we go to pin 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Wait, I'm not touching. 62, 63, 64. What's going on? 67. We check 67 for sure. Let me see, am I counting the right way? No, I'm counting the wrong way. So this is here. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 60, 63, 64, 65, 66. There you go. And then there's also 66. So 66 and 67. 1, 66, 67. 160. Let me write it down again. 166. 166, 67. Okay. All right, let's continue. So we're up to 67. 68 is 5 volts. 78. Let's go to 78. Let's locate it. So 81, 80, 79, 78. There you go. So we got 78. Okay. 82 and 83. 82 and 83. 82 is 82 is this one. 83 is the next one. So 82 and 83. So 78, 82, and 83. 78, 78, 82, and 83. 78, 82, and 83. 83. So 115, 116. 115 and 116. We already checked those, I think. Yeah, 115 is going to be this one right there. 116 is the next one right there. So 115 and 116 is good. 115 and 116. 115. 115 and 116. Okay. Power, switch battery power, sensor ground for throttle 66 and 67 we already did. 78 we already did. 82, 83 we already did. 66 we already did. 82, 83 we already did. 67. It's just repeating. 78. I don't think we've checked 78. Let me double check that. Oh yeah, we did. It's right here. We did 78. Because it's 81, 80, 79, 78. We just did that. 81, 80, 79, 78. Yeah. Go. Let's apply negative. 1, 115, and 116. Yeah, we did that. We're good on that. Constant battery, 121. Okay. This is a ECM relay. Self shut off control, not a main B. Wait, okay. I think I know what's open. Sorry, just behind 119, 120, and 121. Okay, so from here, this one seems sus. This one seems sus. Let's check with these two. Yeah, this seems sus right here. This pin 121. Pin 121 is sus. Pin 121 is sus. Let's get it. 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 So 121 is like it's open. So it's this one. It's this pin, which is this one right here. This is open. So it's this one. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. So all the grounds are present, which is possible that they thought it might have been a missing ground. Let me see. Oh, my bad. So 121 goes back up through here and to the other side. So nothing here. Okay, I'm confused now. This is okay. No, that's not that. This one goes over to like there. Okay. Okay. Let me see what else. Let me see. Let's see what happens. Hold on. All right. Good. We might have to power. All right. All right. So we're gonna. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna get ready to apply power and take some measurements. We'll also hook up the can and see if any. Well, first, if I get. Last time I plugged this in, I didn't get no consumption. So let's see. Um, we know. Okay. So right here, this is pin 1. We're gonna give it ground. And 121. 121. 121. 109. Let me see. This one might be too big. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay, that's good. 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay. 109. Let's try it. Let's try these. Let's try with these and see what happens. Let me double check here. Okay. I'm just double checking, making sure that none of these are ground. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's put these two right here. There. Power on the power supply. 12 volts. We got no consumption. Zero. Zero consumption. That's so weird. Let's feed more powers and see. But that is weird. Um, that is weird. What we doing? 119. 119 is this one. And 120. Um, let's check again and see. Oh, maybe like this. Yeah, there. See? There was consumption there, but not good consumption. Sounded like a short. That sounded like a short. Let me see. Ten kilo ohms. No, maybe it's not making a good connection, or maybe something else. Let's see. Let's make it do a good connection. How would we make it do a good connection? Maybe like this. Oh, this may not be long enough. I need it longer. Get rid of that. Let's make it like that. Should have stripped it first, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh. So let's just roll out connection issue. I just want a solid connection between these. Okay, maybe not like this. Hold on. Damn, I should have something else I could just jump this with. Oh, let me send. I forgot to send something to a customer. This is Vegas. Oh yeah, I just sent it. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna. Oh, these gloves are uncomfortable to work with. All right. Okay. See what happens now. Same thing. Something's consuming. Maybe we should check what's getting hot. Yeah, let's do that. Something's getting hot on the board. Something's getting hot on the board for sure. I could hear. I took off my gloves. It's just a little uncomfortable. Let's see. Let's see if we can tell what's getting hot. If not, I don't know. I think I'll just collect my 50. Okay. Let's turn this light off and see what we got. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I see it. Okay. A couple things. This is the first thing that gets hot right here. Here, I think. Let me leave this here. I can see. Can't see what it is. This and this. Too many components. Too many components getting hot. We need to try to figure out which one's getting hot first. Okay, so it all happened when I connect. What is this? When I connected 116, 117. No, that's 106, 107, 108, 109, 106, 107, 108, 109. Let me see. 106, 107, 109. 106, 107, and 109. 106. Wait, 109. 109 is ignition output. Why are we putting power on 109? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, so uh, yeah, ignition 109. Apply 12 volts to 109, 119, and 120. So top three. And where's the noise coming from? Is it the ECU or my power supply? Um, how much consumption do I get? 305. Wait, let's see if it does it by itself. If I just apply power here, no. It's only when it's constant. Let me see. Let me try this one by itself. Okay. No, it's okay. So it's when I apply power to pin number 119. Yeah, 119. No, no. It's a static noise. I just tested again. Pin, which pin is this? This is just been a headache, been a real headache. Pin. And this pin, what's the consumption on this pin and what number is it? We said this is 119. So this pin alone, let me see, 284, 284 amps. Let's see, 160, 160. If I do both, let me select this. There, yeah. Both I get a constant 306, 109, and okay. And then this last pin, nothing happens when I apply power. So what's going on there? And it's open L. Then all right, we're gonna apply more grounds. Okay. Alrighty. Let's have these here. We're doing 115, and 116. So let's just reset. Can't tell what number this is. Let me see. The last one is, I think. Well, that's 121. We're looking for 115 and 116, 113, 115 and 116. So the two bottom ones. These are going to be grounds. They want me to put grounds on here. I feel like one ground should be good enough because everything is on the same plane. So what does it matter, right? Let's see. Let's check voltage. Basically what I want to do is we'll throw these right here, right? And then we'll go like this. We'll go from here. Yeah. Yeah, there's no need to put ground on those. It's a ground. This is already grounded. We don't need ground on that. Okay. Then 121, 119, and 120. 121. Okay, so the last one. So all three in the top. There's not one I could put like double. No, both of them won't fit. So that one and this one here. There. So there. There. Okay. Okay. No, the ignition is missing. Let me see. Okay. There. So now we're going to check 47, 48, 49. I'm just going to put one of these on 47. $44, $45, $46, $47. Okay. So what we're looking for I think that's good. Let me see. No, no ignition. Let me see that. Just trying to grab all of these. Let me see that. Okay, we're good there. Okay. And now let's check for voltage. We got a 5 volts there, so that's good. Oh, I'll show it again. I'll show it again. I'll show it again. 5 volts. Okay. 48, which is the next pin. 11, 12, 12 on 48. Okay. All right. All right. So we have 47 equals 5 volts. 48 equals, let me see, it was 12 point something, and I'm injecting 13.3. 11.47, 11.50, 11.50 volts. 49 should be the next one. Okay. Oh, there. 306. Same 11.5. So it might be, I think I think I know what's going on. 47, 48, 49, 68. Okay. The next one's 68. So let's look for 68. And 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Okay. Check. No, hold on. Okay. 11.93. 11.93. These are supposed to be 5 volts. 68, 90, 90, 90 is also supposed to be 90. This one. Okay. I know I was told that the grounds were missing, but nowadays, you don't even know. You don't even know. One time I had a customer told me, "Hey, I have an issue with my vehicle not turning on. I have no 5 volts. I got the ECU. I worked on it, looked at it, 5 volts present. I'm like, hey, the issue's gonna be on the harness. Let's go over there and check the vehicle. I went over there to check the vehicle. We have 5 volts. I spent the hours trying to figure out what the issue was. Couldn't. A few months later, I contacted the customer to follow up and see what ended up being the issue. The timing chain was broken. Go figure. So 11.7. There might be something. I think I know. I think I know what's going on. 11.7. 11.7 on 90, and then 91. Okay. Here's 91, the next one. Yeah. Okay. Where's my other probe? Oh, here. Oh, 5 volts. Okay. 5 volts. Now check sensor grounds. 66, 67. Okay. So now we take this guy and go to 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Okay. Let's see what happens now on this pin. Oh, wait. Okay. So let's check. This is a ground, so 13 volts. All right. So that meaning that ground is good, right? Um, I'm just looking at something here. No, that's good. Okay. So the first one we check is good with the power on, which is 66. 67. Okay. Okay. 67. We did 66. So it's the next one. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and with this we can leave. No, because I want to do something there. All right. So that's probably an issue right there. I think I found it. I think I found the problem. I think I got it. This is probably the issue right here. So this is supposed to be a ground, and I'll double check. This is supposed to be a ground, but if I go here, I'm getting 12 volts. And if I go here, I'm getting 1.5. So pin 67 with power is how many volts again? 11.5. Okay, let's continue. We know 67 is sus. Um, yeah, this is a ground and it's getting power. So we'll have to look into a little bit more right there. So we'll go to the next pin. I'm also going to try to see if I can source another ECU in a second. Um, okay. Oh no, it's 78 that we're doing next. 78. So 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 60. It's the other way. 81, 80, 79, 78. I was gonna fucking count across. Okay, let's see. Let's see what kind of behavior we got here. Okay, that's normal. And then if we go here and here, That's good. Good. That's good. All right, so this point is looking like the issue's on 68, 67, 68. Good ground. Mm, I mean 78, 78. And then we got 82 and 83, 82, 83. So yeah, I'm already like a little bit more confident because we narrowed down where the issue is. So we have to backtrace that circuit and figure out what's going on, right? From here to here, oh, from here to here. Okay, that's good. And then from here to here, yeah, that's good. And we'll go to the next. Then 83 is the last. 82, 83, right? Yeah, 83. Right there. Oh, I can tell right away if this is disconnected without looking at it. Okay, and one last check right here. That's good. That's good. We'll turn off. Okay. 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 So what is it? We're gonna check here. Okay. There. So we're gonna check from here. No, 60. We're focused on pin 67 now, which is 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. This one. Okay, so we're focused on this right now. I need this right now. Let's get that out of the way. So this to main ground is a direct 0.03, 0.3. We're pin 115 or 116. Okay, 115 or 116. Let's do it to that one. Let's do it to the one that's telling me. So from here to here, same. And then from here to here, yeah, there's really no short there. Yeah. Um, okay. So we're gonna do a small jumper and see what happens. Right here, we're gonna jump first we got to double check and make sure this is pin 67, 60, 63, 64, 65, 67. Yes. Okay. Let me see something else. What's can high and can low again? Oh, it's in here. Let me just look. Can. Can low is 94. Let's get our scanner out. Is 94. What can low is 94. Ninety-one, 2, 3, and 4. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay. And then the low is, the high. Can low is 94. And 86. That's 89. No, that's not right. What's going on over here? Can low. I see 94 and 86. Okay. No, give me a second. 1 second. I got to, let me see how I could do this. Okay. I want to get the data off the ECU before I do this. So, let's get our programmer ready. Okay. Turn on the programmer. I'll give you a screen share in a second. Okay. Okay. Windows screen share. Okay, it's not showing it right here. I just have to switch screens and then come back. There. Okay, we're good. So this is the last thing we were doing. So we're gonna switch over to, let's see. see which one is it. So high. Let me see something. Yeah. So the high is over here. It's pin 1, 2, and 3. Let's check with this first, since I already have it set up. Blue would be the high, so 1, 2, 3, right here. This one, and the low is the one right under it. Good. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right there, and then we'll throw black on here, and then we'll get our our scan tool here. There we go. This out of the way, nothing's touching. Get that there. Oh, apply power. Scanner's on. Customer said that they were able to read this ECU or something, but I don't see how that was possible because it's not reading it. It's not reading it. Okay. Let me see what happens if I apply power here. Whoops. Sketchy. It's off, I hope. Maybe we should remove this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there. Okay. See what happens now. No consumption. No consumption at all. Okay, so the question is there something wrong with this ground? That's the, I feel like this is missing. Let me ask, what is one pin? What is pin 114? 114 right here. 114 is not even here. 115 is ground. So 115 is ground. Let's see. That's true. Let's see. Okay. It's 115 ground. Yeah. Let's just see if we get any different results. Same consumption. 115. We got nothing. It actually got stuck this time. So let's give it a little bit and see what happens. I know it kept going. Okay. says 58 and 59. Linking error. Failed to connect. Verify ignition on. Let's reset. Let's give it a moment. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. It said 58 and 59. Let's see. 44 and 62, 61, 60, 59, and 58. 62, 61, 60, 59, and 58. Let me check again. 62, maybe something to point with. 62, 61, 60, 59. Oh, okay, so I did have it right the first time. It's 59 and 58. 62, 61, 60, 50. Okay, let's try there. Let's try there. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. One second. Let's try the other one and see if it's the same pinout. Device. There was two of them. It's the same pinout. Same exact pinout. Okay. So we're gonna try this. 63, 63, 64, 65, 63, 64, 67, 67. Just checking this again. What? Okay. All right, let's do something else. Something has changed. Okay. Let's go back here. Pin 1. Okay. I think we have more data. We have more data, I think. So if I only apply ground on this side, um, the pin 67 is behaving as normal. Um, or maybe I had the wrong pin initially. Let's see. Let's see what happens now. Oh yeah, I was measuring the wrong pin. Yeah. I don't understand. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. And then I already took all these off. Well, it was 120. I was gonna do 120 and 109. 120, 106, 107, 108, 109. All right, look at it right there. It's doing that. Come. Okay, so let's try again. And instead of doing it there, we're going to apply power to here. No, to this one. What was the second one? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 115. Let me see. Let me double check. Yeah. 114. 114 to 115. 115. Let me just check this like this. Oh, gotta change this to here. OL on that. This is OL. So it's this pin. I can't really see what it goes to, but if we put 114 with one of these guys there, should be able to find it here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get another ECU. I'm spending too much time on this one. Give me a second. I'm gonna try to see if we can go ahead and get an exact um ECU. I just can't figure out what my phone is. So I'm just gonna okay. So we're gonna stop for a little bit here with this one. We're gonna put it aside. And this same customer has another ECU. We gotta put our gloves on. You can turn off the power supply. These gloves are uncomfortable to use. Okay. Alrighty. Let's get to it. Um, I've opened this one before. Not this one, but one of these. It's okay. You put a little heat, a little bit of pressure, and oh, pop open. Put the pressure all the way, max. Go. This is a T10. It is this, but it has debris inside. So let's flush it out. Let's try a bigger one. I don't have anything close here. Let me see. I'm gonna apply downward pressure and. No. Let me see. Let me try this one. Yeah, got it. It's too small. Okay. We need to get everything away from the bench. We're gonna be using heat now. Let me see if I could come in here with this. I remember I worked on we're just gonna have to start applying heat, man. This shit needs to get heat. Oh yeah, I remember. I started off of this corner right here. I see that they tried to open it and they couldn't. But you have to. This one takes heat, let me tell you. It takes heat. It's my little ball right here. It's nothing. Nothing fits in there. Okay. Let's do this little corner here that I got in last time. Let's see. Yeah, there. It did open up a little bit. It did. A tiny bit, but not enough. Not enough. Not enough. Not enough. Need to find another little area. Where we can pry from. It's just there's no slack anywhere on this ECU. No slack. It's nothing. And again, I've opened this one before. And once you get it up a little bit, it's good. See. There, it went up a little bit. More heat. Whew, I'm sweating. It's moving, but not enough. Damn. Shit is fucking sealed. Now I see why they didn't get far enough. Let's try the other side. Oh, they tried here too. I can see. Yeah, I think this side might be has a bigger, slightly bigger gap. Let me see. What other tools do I have? Let me try this again. I don't have anything thinner than this. And this does not go in at all. Hmm. Now let's go ahead and apply heat to here. Whew. This thing is solid. And I have another repair on the way, so we're about to start on a probably I think it's a PS5. Okay, let's see. Mm. Is a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Let's see through the front. I'm about to get a hammer and just wedge it in.